Hello everyone, I'm Shrestha Datta and finally I'm back with a video after many months of not posting. Let's just say that the quarantine did its magic on me and I did not post. Anyway, so today I will be reading a story. It's a puja romance and it's by Shravani Basu. It was that time of the year again. 1 week to go for Durga Puja. My city of joy, Kolkata, was decked up in all her glory to welcome Ma Durga home. It's a time when all Bengalis are happy, irrespective of their social status or the phase of the life they are in. There's just pure joy, happiness, delight, and love all around. Joydeep and his family had recently moved into our lane. His dad was a Maharashtrian and his mom a Bengali. They had reallocated from Mumbai. He soon became friends with the other boys in the neighborhood. They sometimes played cricket in the evenings in the nearby park. My brother Shoham, who was then pursuing medicine, used to join them whenever he was free. I heard him mention that Joydeep was in his final year of engineering and apparently quite the star in his college. I was in my final year of MBA. It had occurred to me then that probably he's a year junior to me. Almost every main street or area in Kolkata has its own Durga Puja celebrations. Our neighborhood puja was an old and reputed one. Traditionally, every evening there were cultural programs organized in the puja premises where everyone, young, old, male, female, would participate. Each community puja turned into one big happy family during those 4 days. I was participating in a dance and a play. Daily rehearsals were part of the fun. As luck would have it, the guy who was cast opposite to me in the play unfortunately came down with chickenpox. We were the central characters of the play, and it was almost decided that the play would have to be cancelled as no replacement could be found at such short notice. Then someone suggested Joydeep's name, and he seemed pretty enthusiastic about the whole thing. We soon realized that having participated in many school and college plays, he was quite the seasoned actor. We were to play a totally in love married couple. The funny thing was, while I felt quite awkward playing the part of the new bride, I was pretty comfortable and at ease with Joydeep otherwise. Was it the beginning of our new love story? The next few days breezed past us. Preparations, rehearsals, planning, everything was part of it. Joydeep and I even went shopping for probs together. He spoke Bengali with an accent, and I loved it. I thought he looked extremely cute in the Bengali dhoti kurta. We soon realized we shared many common interests, our love for music and books, and we had many similar tastes. Joydeep was friendly, easygoing, and confident. In short, I was smitten. The day of the play, when I entered the stage dressed up like a new bride, he smiled at me. I thought he had a little twinkle in his eyes, or maybe I imagined it. The play was a hit. Everyone said we looked very good together. Right through Durga Puja, we spent almost all day together, with others around, of course. Eating bhog together, doing endless chores, pandal hopping all night. All of us youngsters used to pile up in 2 cars and visit the other Durga Puja pandals. Kolkata sparkles all night during Durga Puja. The crowds, the laughter, the food, the lights, the music. It's like a magic spell enveloping everyone around it. Joydeep and I had our fleeting moments in the midst of all of it. He would hold my hand or put his arm around me in the crowded pandals. I would wait so we could have lunch together. I took a little extra care that year to look gorgeous every day. I knew that when I walked into the stage and Joydeep was sitting at the front row of the stage's crowd for my ODC performance, I knew. I did not imagine the twinkle in his eyes this time. Those eyes said many things without even uttering one word. Durga Puja came to an end, but something had changed between us. We had a love story. Everyone in the neighborhood thought we were a couple. Only we were not sure. And we remained unsure for the next 4 years. Until I, Miss Konkona Bhattacharya, became Mrs. Konkona Shinde. Okay, I love this story. It's so sweet. Okay, by the way, that was the story, that was the end. I think it's a very cute and short story, and Durga Puja is exactly 1 week away. Everyone have lots of fun during Puja. Try not to go near crowded places. Have fun with your friends. Maybe call them over at your place or go over to their place or something. Be with people who you love and who love you. Because this quarantine has been really hard, you know. Just avoid crowded places. That's it. Have good food. Do fun. Do everything. Lots of good wishes. And yeah. Until next time. Goodbye.